notice that the signs on this freeway to the left of us are green. That's because that's the Westgate Freeway that is free. But we are in this lane, which is tolled. So this used to be a single carriageway each direction and was a huge gridlock point for the city because lots of things have to come through here. Whether you're going to the city or whether you're going across the city, this was a huge link that was identified through the modelling that we did years ago as a pressure point, and as a result of that, all of this was built. So you ended up with something more like 6 segregated carriageways rather than 2 carriageways. The ramp meter at this point, it flares out for a short distance to 3 because the saturation flow is really critical. Because this queue would block the previous freeway. In order to do that, this is an exceptional ramp meter which is 3 wide here. Immediately after the signal, it goes back to 2.
Just like a toll booth.
Yeah. But you get released 3 at a time. That release rate is really important. And there's never generally a problem merging afterwards. You know, you don't even have to. People just form 2 lanes and they cooperate. So you'll see these 3 guys get released and they just sort themselves out. And there's only about 75 metres from here to the merge point. You don't need much space. But you do have to have well-behaved drivers.
So the left lane gets its own lane, but
Yeah, but
the middle and right lane have to share. But you could like split the signal phase.
No, it always has to be the same. No. So now we are on the Westgate Freeway. You see it's elevated. This is